Hello and welcome to a new video. In this video I wanted to give you some updates about what's been going on, what I'm going to be doing going forward and how I'm going to be helping you as well. So without waffling too much, over the last year, as you know, I have made a lot of changes in my life, in my health, in my diet and my fitness. And through that time I've also been really sort of thinking about my business and where I want my business to go and how I want to be helping you going forward. The things that I really enjoy doing, the things that I know that you like as well. And so along with all the personal changes that I've been making, I've also behind the scenes been working on some new things for the business as well. Some of them you will have seen already, but there is going to be a big change as of the 1st of April that I wanted to tell you about, and it's something that you can get involved in. It's something which I kind of was known for right back at the beginning, and I've kind of come full circle and decided that it's something that I really want to focus on because I know it's something that you really love, enjoy, and many of you need as well. So without being too mysterious about it, some of the changes that I've made over the past year is I have started to work more closely with clients one-to-one in person. Everything I did used to be online, and I have started to expand that into some in-person styling and working with some VIP clients as well, and I have absolutely loved that. And so I will be continuing to do that, but that is not going to be the main focus of the business. So if you do still want one-to-one in-person help, I'm going to put a link down in the description box where you can find out more about that. But that isn't what this video is about. So for those of you who have been around for a long time since my business started online right back in 2011, I started and really started to get sort of a bit of a viral following through my blog by creating capsule wardrobes. For a long time I was kind of the capsule wardrobe queen, and I was the person who kind of really started that very early on online. There weren't many people offering a capsule wardrobe service. I'm not going to be going back to doing one-to-one capsule wardrobes online or virtually because they are too time consuming and I can't help as many of you as I would like to. And also I think for a lot of you the cost has become quite prohibitive to doing that. So what I am going to be doing is something which I know a lot of you need, which is outfit ideas, how to create everyday outfits, how to look stylish every day, how to always have something to wear, what to put on in the morning when you get up and you just can't think what to wear. I'm going to make that process so much easier for you. And the way that I'm doing that is from an expansion of something that I already offer. Now, some of you will already be members of my Style Lounge, which is a monthly membership, and that is not going to be changing, but some of what's within it will be changing, and I'm also expanding it to offer some different levels to that. So the other thing that I want to talk about a lot more is my health journey, what I've been through as far as my diet and nutrition is concerned. And when I'm talking about diet, I'm actually talking about kind of what I'm eating rather than diet as in losing weight, although that has obviously been a very happy result of what I'm eating. So this isn't a diet program and I am not a dietitian, but what I want to do is share with you what's worked for me, because so many of you have asked me, what have you been doing? How have you lost weight? You look so much more healthy, you look so much more vibrant. It's all true, and I want to be able to share that with you. So a lot to say that the Style Lounge is actually going to be split into 3 parts. There's going to be the Wellness Lounge, which is going to talk all about nutrition, metabolic health, which I've learnt a lot about, my experiences over the last year of improving my health, of losing weight, of getting fitter, of just really being much more healthy. It's also going to include tips and tricks. It's going to include recipes. It's going to include things like fitness. It's also going to include things like workout wear, so there will be an element of style in there as well. Body products, so all of those things that fit around that sort of wellness part of my life. And so that's going to be contained in one membership. There's then going to be another level of membership which is going to be all about outfit ideas. Now, for those of you who used to love my seasonal capsule wardrobes, for those of you who have been in the Style Lounge or Stylish at 50 as it used to be and loved the weekly wardrobe, for those of you who used to buy my magazine and loved the monthly capsule wardrobe that I used to put in there, it's kind of going to be an amalgamation of all of that. So the way that it's going to work is that each month, at the beginning of the month, you'll get an email, and within that email there will be a complete month's capsule wardrobe. It's going to be everyday outfits. There's going to be a whole suggestion of items that create that capsule wardrobe. I'm going to suggest that you shop your wardrobe first and look at what items you've got in your wardrobe that are similar. I'm going to give you recommendations of where to buy pieces if you want to add to your wardrobe, or if you want to pick up some of the pieces that I'm using within the capsule. I'm also going to be giving you alternatives, so as much as possible it will be size inclusive. I know that a lot of you who are over a UK size 16 struggle to find nice things, especially in nice fabrics. It's also going to be price inclusive, so I will put together a collection of items that I'll use in the outfit examples that I'm creating, but I'm going to give you some alternatives as well. So if I have used something that is a bit more premium, I will try and find you some more budget options as well, as much as possible. Obviously I will be restricted to what is available, but I will do my best to make this as inclusive as possible for you. So 3 options there. There will be look in your wardrobe for what you've got, use the exact items that I have put into the outfit examples, and also some alternatives as well. So as I said, I'm hoping that there's going to be something for as many of you as possible. Now, also within this membership, as well as getting your little capsule collection of items, there will be at least 30 outfits that will cover you for the whole month. They will be predominantly smart casual outfits, but there will also be some smarter options as well. So if you're going out for dinner, or if you're going to an event, or even if you want to dress some of the outfits up for work, there will be some options for those as well. So hopefully that will cover everything that you need to get dressed for during a month. And I'll put together these formulas of outfits that you can copy or interpret from bits that you've got in your own wardrobe. So hopefully it means that when you get up in the morning, if you can't think what to wear, you can just have a look at my collection of outfits, see what you've got in your wardrobe, and think, okay, well, I can recreate that outfit with what I've already got. And the other thing that I found over the last few months, you've really loved the kind of styling tips I've given about how to modernise your wardrobe and how to wear things to just look a little bit more stylish. So there will be within there lots of ideas of how to create outfits that are kind of on trend and modern and contemporary, but without being a fashion victim as well. So I'm really excited about that. It's something that I love to do. I love putting outfits together, and I know that for a lot of you, you struggle, or perhaps you don't know how to accessorize things, or you don't know how to style things. So if there's a new item that is really popular, like at the moment it is the wide leg jean, there will be that kind of thing in there with ways to style them, which shoes to wear them with, because again, that's often a question that I get asked: what shoes do I wear with these kind of jeans or with these kind of trousers? So these outfit ideas will give you all of that and lots of options of things to wear. So hopefully you won't get bored with your wardrobe, you won't struggle with what to wear on a daily basis, and there will be lots of ideas in there for you that you can add your own personality to as well. So that is going to be the second part of this new 3-tier membership. And then the third part of it is the Style Lounge as it currently exists. So within the Style Lounge, you will get both of those previous 2 pieces that I've described, and you'll also get styling sheets on a monthly basis, and you'll get my monthly tea and chat, which has become really popular, where you can have your moment with me to ask me specific questions that you're struggling with as far as styling is concerned. So it could be, I've just bought this and I've got nothing to go with it, or I don't know how to style it, can you help me with it? Or what colour should I be looking for this season? Or I'm looking for a particular style of handbag, or I'm going to an event and I don't know what to wear. We have all sorts of questions asked on a monthly basis, and so that is a Zoom call which as part of the Style Lounge you get included. So just to recap, there are 3 parts to the membership, and you can have 1 of them, 2 of them, or all 3 of them. It's entirely up to you and what your requirements are. So there's the Wellness Lounge, there's the Capsule Wardrobe Lounge, and there's the Full Style Lounge, which includes absolutely everything. I'm going to put a link down in the description box to all of those so that you can see which works for you. I hope that you're going to love this. It's something which I'm really excited to be doing. Going forward, I will be predominantly focusing on this membership. As I said, there will be some one-to-one VIP as well, whether that is my VIP program or my individual VIP days. And the other thing that I will be doing is regular YouTube videos. So those are the 3 ways that you can get in touch with me, work with me. And if you've got any questions about any of those, please leave them down in the comments section. The Style Lounge is already there. The other 2 memberships will be launching on the 1st of April, but you can get in now at a special launch price before the 1st of April. So all of the details of that will be down in the description box if you want to jump in early and make sure that you get that special launch offer. Other than that, I will be back next week with a proper styling video, but I just wanted to update you on everything that's been going on and all the things that I'm excited about. And I will also, in a couple of weeks' time, be updating you on my health journey as well. I'm going back to Coombe Grove. I'm going to be doing some filming there. I'm going to be talking to Rebecca, who is the head nutritionist and the program manager there. She is a wealth of knowledge, so that's going to be really exciting. I'm hoping I might be able to film a bit of a cooking demo for you as well. So there will be lots more information about that. And I will also put links down in the description box for Coombe Grove and how you can get a discount on your stay there if you do want to go and stay there as well. I have a special offer for you. So other than that, I will be back next week with a proper styling video, and I look forward to seeing you then. Bye for now.